This 2023 Coachmen Brookstone 344FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 42 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 8, spare tire kit, oven, external shower, microwave, skylight, auxiliary battery, TV, carbon monoxide detector, stove-top burner, DVD player, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachmen Brookstone 344 Florida is 12,789 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.